Hi guys, this is Jessica with Living Well Realty, and I am in Kings Court in Little Elm, Texas, checking on this David Weekley new build behind me. So come with me and let's go see what they've done. Okay y'all, so here we go. Let's walk into the house. Sorry if it's loud, they are mowing today, which is part of your HOA, so that is very cool. You don't have to worry about the front lawn. Look at the front door, y'all got a door. Oh, I love this door. It will be stained, so, but here we go. So we're walking into your home. To the left, you have a half bath. So you'll have a pedestal sink and a toilet in there. Guys, look. So they have, this is stage 6 of the construction. So that means that they have textured the walls and painted. And all the trim, painted the trim. So here's your garage, your 2-car garage. So this is like walking in either from the garage or your front door. Look at this. The windows are in. That tall door is in. Look at those windows. Those are called picture windows. Okay, that was the living room, and look guys, there's your kitchen. It's so pretty. The cabinets are stacked. They go all the way up to the ceiling, which is very nice. That is an upgrade. They have been painted. The color is extra white, I believe, by Sherwin-Williams. So that's gonna be an oven or your microwave on top, and then your oven. And over here will be your gas stove. Turn around, and if you can see the island. So right here will be the sink. So you'll overlook your dining area, which is right in front of the island, and your living room. So you'll be able to see what is going on. And there is your dishwasher. And then we got a pantry. Lots of space. Lots of cabinets. And right here will be your refrigerator. Okay, so now I'm walking into your dining room, which has 2 big windows. Okay, and off through here will be your utility room. So your washer and dryer. So there, again, this will be your dining room and your kitchen. And this island will have room for you to put bar stools under it. So it'll be a nice big island. That leads up to the 2nd story. Here is your living room. I love it. So in here, this is additional. This is a sunroom. So whatever you want to do with it, you can make it a little reading nook, an office, and then over here to your right, so now we're going into the master bedroom. Beautiful windows, lots of lights. You can see the walls have been textured and painted, and the trim, all the trim have been painted. Can you see these doors? Guys, these are tall, 8-foot doors. That's so nice in a house. Do not have electricity yet, so hopefully y'all can see this. So walking into the master bath, to the right is your water closet. So that's where your toilet will be. Over here is, I'm in love with these cabinets. I love the color. I so love that color. Okay, so you have double vanities. So this is where one sink will be, and you'll have a mirror. There's a window in between, and then another sink, mirror. You have a window and a drop-in tub next to your standing shower. And then we'll walk in here, and here is the master closet. Again, sorry, it's probably not very bright because we have no electricity, but it is a long, nice drop-in shower. Okay, so now we're going back through the master. Oh, y'all, and look at the ceilings. Can you see the ceilings? So tall. Those are cathedral ceilings. Okay, so coming back, here's the sunroom. You know what, let's go ahead. Here is one entry to the back. The back patio. And it is covered. You have a nice covered back patio. I watch my step. Y'all have a board-on-board fence. That is awesome. That is an upgrade. I love that. That's so much more sturdy and it just looks so much better. And then right behind your fence line right there is the playground. Here we go. So back in, again, walking through your living room. Let's look at the shot of your kitchen. I love it. So pretty. Okay, so now we're going upstairs. So this is the Cartwell plan. It's just over 3,000 square feet. I think it's 3,109. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. Again, you have that sunroom downstairs, some more windows. And you have a bonus room up here, guys. So, well, this area is really cool. You can put a built-in desk, a lounge area. So here is the upstairs living area or game room, right? You see those windows? Sorry, I hope I'm not making y'all dizzy. So lots of light, lots of sunlight. You have a linen closet. I just love all the windows in this house. Okay, so up here we have 3 bedrooms. We're gonna walk in. Here's the first bedroom upstairs. Very good size. And the closet. It looks nice. And then we're gonna walk in. You'll have a Jack and Jill bathroom set up. So right here is a tub shower combo, and then you'll have your toilet. And then let's go back here. And again, I love the color of those cabinets. So here is a dual vanity as well. So you'll have 2 sinks. So that's nice for these 2 bedrooms. And then here's the second bedroom that shares that bathroom. And a walk-in closet. Okay, so we'll go out. So that's where the game room was, or is. And then let's walk out, and then here's another full bath, tub shower combo, toilet, and this will have 1 sink, but it's a long vanity. Very nice, lots of space. So that bathroom could be for this bedroom. And closet. Love these doors. So yes, it has been painted. It is so coming together. Okay, and then looky here. So about 3 steps, you go up, and this is what they call a bonus room with more windows. So you can do whatever you want in here. I mean, technically, I guess you can use it as a bedroom. I mean, it's more like a loft area, but you could, a media room, a playroom, a game room, a man cave, an office. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And this is the living room. Very nice. So again, this is the Cartwell plan. It's a David Weekley home. And it is in the closeout stage of this community. So they do have, so you have David Weekley again in this community, and they are almost sold out. There are some availability If you guys are interested, please reach out and I will give you the details. But this community is almost completely finished and sold out. Okay guys, so that concludes the tour for today. If you are looking to build or buy in or around Collin or Denton County, I would love to talk to you. Click the link below and let's talk. Until then, y'all take care. Bye.